how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams step by step. So first open up your Microsoft Teams and make sure that you're logged in. Then on the left hand side, go to the Teams option, that is people like icon. So this is where you create a new channel. So you can see add channel option on the left hand side. Just tap on it. And then you will be able to see channel name option. So you can just tap on it and then start by entering a clear and meaningful channel name so that your team members know what this channel is for. And then you can just hit add and you can see that the channel has been created and you can start a post, you can put in files, and then you can also upload photos. So it's as simple as that. Now you can see the three dots, that is more options. Just tap on it and then you can tap on edit channel if you want to edit it later. You can change the name, you can put in the emoji of your choice, and then you can tap on invite members at the top right and then put in the name, email, or phone number of the individuals you want to add to this community. You can add up to 30 people at a time. Or you can go to the link option and send the channel link to people and they can join by tapping on this link. Just hit copy and then send it to people whom you want to join in this group. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.